All right, you just want to get cooking?
Yeah.
Say, let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
No, you gotta do it with some oomph. Look at the camera and say, let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
What up, guys? This is Chris with Baldcat Barbecue. I got my little guy Riley with me. Say hi.
Hi.
It's summer in Phoenix right now, so it is really hot outside, but I really want to do some cooking, and I want to do some cooking with my little buddy. So today, what are we gonna make?
Little corn dogs.
Little corn dogs, otherwise known as pigs in a blanket. I picked up this really cool thing called Piggy Pop. Basically, it's a silicone baking dish that looks like little pigs. You can do brownies, pigs in a blanket, all kinds of things with it. It comes with a little cookbook. Not sponsored, but I just thought it was cool. I thought it'd be fun for us to play with, right?
Right.
All right, so we're gonna do some pigs in a blanket or little corn dogs. This is what we call them. So
Let's do pigs in a blanket.
pigs in a blanket.
Uh-huh.
All right, basically the recipe is kind of just like making pancakes. Same recipe. So we got 2 cups of Bisquick here. Can you pour in the 1 cup of milk in here?
Yeah.
There you go, good job. All right, and now we got 2 eggs. We get these eggs from Grandma and Grandpa, right? So I think you help them pick them sometimes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna break them into this dish right here, because sometimes there's surprises in them, just because they're fresh. So here, what you do is you put it on the counter, and like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, let me put that one
Okay,
in.
ready? I knew it. We're a mess. That's okay. All right, make sure you got no shells in there. We're good. Okay, pick that bowl up and put it in there carefully. Not the bowl, the eggs. There you go. All right. There. Good job. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just stir this up.
Hey, can I do that?
Yeah, let me get started. That way the Bisquick and flour doesn't go spraying everywhere. And then you can help me.
Okay.
Okay.
Tim, I was watching TV and now I'm cooking.
Okay, go ahead, mix. You look really good in your apron. Mixa.
Mix.
So tell me, would you rather watch TV or would you rather cook with Dad?
Cook with Dad.
Awesome answer.
We're making yummy stuff.
Making yummy stuff. All right, so you finish mixing that up. What we're gonna do is
Your turn.
No, you keep mixing.
Fine.
We're gonna take our silicone mat and we're gonna spray some non-stick spray on it.
Hey, let me do it.
Here, let me do a little bit first. Yeah.
Can I spray
A little bit. Okay, so you hold it and you push the top. Kind of hard, huh? Oh. One more. There you go. Good job.
Only one.
Okay. Okay, good job.
That's enough.
That's enough. Okay. All right, so now we got this all mixed up. We are going to pour it into the tray. We got to do this carefully. So let me do it, okay?
Let's do it together.
Do it together. Okay, so get your hand right there. Okay. You got to do this carefully. Might have to use a spoon, but we got to get these little things filled up just like that. Oop. Okay, stop.
Your turn.
Hold on.
Why did you do this?
So we are learning as we go. So I'm going to take a big spoon. Do that. How's that?
Good.
Because you want them just slightly under the top, because we still got to put the hot dog in it. So this would probably be easier if we had one of those little dispensers or pancake dispensers or something, or put it in a little squeeze jar. But this isn't fancy. We're
It looks no fancy to me. Then I I clean it up.
Okay. So you know what? I'm not even gonna bother cleaning it up because we're having fun, right?
Right.
All right. So now we have Lil Smokies. So basically, it's little hot dogs, right?
Right.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna take them, we're gonna put them on top like that, and then squish it down until it goes inside, just like that. And kind of move it over like that.
Let me try.
Okay, go ahead. Down, squish it in, and then kind of, then push it over the top like that. There you go. Good job, buddy. Having fun?
Yeah, but
right.
Can you clean me up?
Yeah, let's clean up and let's also turn on the oven. Do you know how hot it's gonna be? It's gonna be 425. Wow. Okay, let's get cleaned up. So while we're waiting for the oven to heat up, how old are you?
3.
You're 3?
Uh-huh.
Do you have a birthday coming up? Yeah? What do you want for your birthday?
Water balloon.
Water balloons! We live in Phoenix, so that's always a fun thing, huh?
The TV is in my daddy's living room, but even in the back room and in my daddy's bedroom.
So what you're saying is I have a lot of TVs.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. You're awesome.
Yep.
So this is something I want to start doing a little bit more. I want to do cooking with kids. Because for one, it's hot outside, right?
Right, and we want to cool off.
I want to cool off. Also, I spend a lot more time with you lately.
Yeah.
And I just want to be able to get you off the couch. Because don't want to create bad habits, right?
Yeah.
Is watching a lot of TV a bad habit?
Uh-huh.
What do you got to do with bad habits?
Push them away.
Push them away, that's right. All right, so I just want to do this cooking with kids thing to not only keep doing videos, but to show that cooking with kids can give them something fun to do.
Yeah.
Gets them away from the TV for a little bit. Creates a nice little bond with whoever you're cooking with, right?
Right. I said that to all the people.
You did.
Is there people in the camera?
And there's no people in the camera, but maybe somebody will be watching this and like it and subscribe.
It's almost hot.
Yep, it's almost hot. So do you remember what temperature we turned it on to? You don't remember? 425.
425.
And we're gonna put these on a cookie sheet so they don't spill. And we're gonna put them in there for about 12 to 15 minutes.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. They're gonna be all yummy though, okay?
Yep.
All right, so let's get these in the oven.
And let's turn off the camera.
Okay, I'll turn off the camera and we'll get these in the oven. All right. Is it ready?
Yeah. Crazy.
See what they look like.
Oh, it steams so.
Perfect. They look yummy? Remember, don't touch it. Here's what they look like. About 12 minutes.
About 12 minutes.
Yep, don't touch.
I know.
You gotta let them cool down for about 5 minutes, okay? And then we'll pull them out.
Okay, I've been making myself warm with them.
Okay.
I'm getting close enough.
All right, wait 5 minutes. All right, so we're back. They cooked for about 12 minutes exactly. Let them cool off for 5 minutes, and here's the results. So obviously, if you overfill them, you get that big thing. But if you want to cut the edges, it actually turns out really nice. They look just like little pigs. Here, let me show you one.
Let me show you another.
Look at that thing. Look, just look like a little pig. It's pretty cool.
I can just do that.
Yeah. All right, so they're ready. You want to give them a taste test?
Yeah.
All right, so I got my favorite dip, barbecue sauce, because barbecue. And what kind of dip do you got?
Ranch.
Ranch. Okay, let's give them a try. Dunk the piggy. All right, there you you go. Okay. Is it good? Yeah? Mmm. And the Lil Smokies, give it a little smoke flavor. Because, you know, I have to have something smoked, right? But, those are good. But you can use hot dogs, turkey, whatever you want, whatever you find. It's really good, huh? Mm-hmm.
They are delicious.
Delicious. All right, so do you want to go ahead and say bye and eat our lunch?
Yeah. Bye. We're eating our lunch.
Bye, guys. Again, hope you like it. This is Cooking with Kids segment. I just really want to get this guy in videos a little bit more. Comment down below if you like the format, and let me know what you cook with your kids. Maybe I can try that with my little guy. All right, so this is Chris, Riley with Ball Cat Barbecue.
And my mom is at work.
Mommy's at work. Where does mommy work?
I don't mean work.
Army work. So it is the 4th of July when we're filming this. His mom is away at Army. So thank you for all the serving military members out there. Thank you for doing what you do to let us do what we do. All right, bye guys. Remember, keep on grilling. So anyway, cooking with kids is something I'm gonna be doing a lot more. Really simple recipes. You like to do that. Really simple recipes that they can help out with. Doesn't have. What?
If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Daddy,
All right, good job.
turn it off.
Okay, I'll turn it off.